Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Android Studio with an emulator image and Vscode installed. Open Android Studio, launch the emulator, and note that the emulator boots fully. Once done, make sure your DB is available. Add Android SDK/platform tools to your path or copy the full DB path. Then open Vscode and install the extension that will target the emulator. This creates the link between Vscode and the running virtual device, which is required for deployment. You now connect Vscode to the running emulator by verifying a DB sees the device, run a DB devices, and confirm a device ID with status device. Next, in Vscode, pick the emulator from the device selector in the status bar or use the appropriate command palette action. If Vscode or the extension cannot find a DB automatically, open Settings, JSON, and set a DB path or Android SDK path to your Platform Tools folder. This explicit path prevents ambiguity between multiple SDK installations and you finish by deploying from Vscode. Run the launch task or debug target and observe logs in the debug console. Use hot reload or restart to iterate quickly. If the emulator shows offline or disappears, kill and restart a DB with a DB kill server, then a DB start server, and rerun a DB devices. Make sure no firewall or port conflict blocks a DB. If problems persist, restart the emulator. Confirm the correct DB path in Vscode and retry. This resolves most connectivity hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.